Hello everyone, how are you today? It's Kay. So this is 25th of November and this is on Thursday. So yeah, how are you everyone? How's it going? I hope you're having a great day today. So this is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone also. The US is closed, it's holiday today. So the volatility is kind of less. I expect today, tomorrow, I think market will be quiet, but it's moving. So let's check some charts and see what's happening right now. Alright, so let's get started. So I slept well last night, so I have energy to talk. But today I had a full day so busy. So this is my second time screening charts. And I didn't take any trades. So let's see what's happening right now. Alright, so let me squeeze my face and start the session right now. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information today is mainly based on my own experience and knowledge. So when you take trades and when you make trade decisions, please do based on your own terms. And also, since this is live stream, if you can please follow the rules and guidelines, that would be great. Okay, so yeah, since today's Thanksgiving, let's do it slowly and just enjoy the show until the end. So let me say hi to everyone first. I expect today the joiner will be less in number because Thanksgiving. But thank you for joining, everyone. I hope you're having a great day with your family and friends. Alright, good to see you. Yokobe, Harshal, and Kromwat, Vipin, good to see you. Asif, thank you for joining as well. And Levinas, Ivan, William, and Alex, Orvin, and Bram, Gabby, good to see you. Alright, Dalish, and Nadar, Kiriti, and Muhammad, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you here. Okay, so let me check some major Forex pairs, and then we're gonna look at the gold and see what's happening right now. So here is the trading view, and so this is Euro USD in the daily chart. It has been downtrending, and today we're tracing backwards. So right now Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat, Tenkan-sen is flat, but the price is below the Tenkan-sen and Chikou span below the candles. So this is bearish, and the market may retrace. The market might, keeps going down this way, but it may retrace backwards. It may retrace back to Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, and then continue to go down like this way. So with that in mind, I would wait for, first of all, I will have to wait for the Kumo down, Kijun-sen down to look for the selling edge, but right now it's ranging and it could retrace. So I would prefer to stay away in this case. So let me see other pairs now. How about, first let me look at the strength chart. So I will move on to the currency strength chart as of today. Hold on. All right, and I refresh the page. So let's see. Let me refresh. Like it's slow. All right. So looks like Euro is strong today, and New Zealand has been weak today. And JPY is the second strongest, and other currencies are almost in sideways. So looks like right now Euro NZD pair is the most volatile market. But since I don't trade NZD pairs, I skip it. So the second strongest one, second volatile market is Euro AUD. So Euro AUD should be going up right now as per this strength chart. So let's see if it's uptrending per Ichimoku also. So now switching back to the trading view and looking at the Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, yeah, as currency strength chart showed, the market is up bullish today. However, the market now within the Kijun-sen and Kumo, and Chikou span overlapping. So this is range per Ichimoku. So from here, we can't tell which way it's going. So simply, we better stay away. We can draw this P wave like this way, but this is now in the P wave. So basically, in this case, I wait for the breakout towards either direction. So that's one. And let's see, but I think almost all the pairs were in sideways when I checked charts this morning, and looks like it has been the case right now. So we have no trends, so I guess we just stay away. Yeah, USDJPY stopped uptrend and now it's consolidating, so it's ranging. USD CAD is also retracing. USD Swiss franc is also retracing backwards, so this is now ranging. Alright, Pound USD looks good. Pound USD is now bearish. The Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down, and the Chikou span below the candles in the daily chart. So Pound USD, we could look for the sell chance. So let's go to 1 hour chart. Alright, in the 1 hour chart, I see that the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, so this is good. So we can look for the sell chance in the lower time frame. So until the end of the live stream, let's continue to monitor in 5-minute chart and continuously look for the selling edge. So if I see the chart like this, then I can draw the horizontal line on 1.3315, and this may become double top and market could go downwards. So this is my expectation. However, if the market becomes double bottom and the market continues to go up this way, then I won't sell. In this case, we cannot sell. So let's see if the market will be resisted here in 5 or not until the end of the live today. So yeah, so that's one. And if you look at the price action or candlestick, the previous candle was doji, and also we had the doji candle here also. So we have 2 dojis at the resistance level. So that means once the market breaks that level, it can continue to go up, continue to retrace against the major direction. So we better not to sell if it happens. So yeah, but we cannot sell here either because it may break. So we have to, so in this case, what I wait for is that I wait for another rejection at this level, and also I will wait for either breakout of the support level. So in this case, support level here is 1.3305. So I either wait for the breakout or I wait for the reverse in wave happens. And then if you see reverse in wave, then this is the sign of the double top and the market may break the support. So if it's I wave straight down, then I wait for the breakout. But if the market goes reverse in the wave, then I will sell afterwards. So let's continue to monitor this one. We will come back to this pair later, but let me check other pairs first. But basically, this is how I look for which market to trade. So please, you can refer to it. And yeah, so and I don't take time to decide which market to trade or not. Simply when I see trends and when I see confirmation, then I take it. Otherwise, I stay away. It's my way. So I think my analysis is pretty simple. So yeah, okay. AUD USD looks good also. This is downtrending. Daily charts, Kijun Sen is still within the Kumo, but most likely in 4-hour chart, it's downtrending. So let me check the 4-hour chart. Yes, in the 4-hour chart, it is downtrending. So this one, we can look for the sell chance. So, but I just saw that there was a support level here at 0.7169. So this is only like a 15 pips down. So I think the trade room is a bit too small. So in this case, I prefer to wait for the breakout of the support and look for the sell chance afterwards. So in that case, most likely I skip this one. So let's move on to the next one. AUD-CAD. Yeah, AUD-CAD is bearish also, but the market is obviously at the previous support level. So it may reject it and retrace backwards. So in this case, I also stay away. I marked the weekly time frame is trending. So let me switch the weekly, and this is downtrending. You see the weekly chart, Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So in that sense, the market could break the support today or tomorrow, but until we see it, we better stay away. Right now, this candlestick exactly here is still forming. So by the end of today, this candlestick close might become above the support level. And if we see that, then that will become a pin bar or doji candle like this. And if the market sees it tomorrow, then it may retrace backwards. So in this case, this is where I would stay away, and this is where I wait for the candle close in the daily chart. So in that sense, I will just skip this one. If it closes below the support, then I will look for the sell chance from tomorrow. So let's see. AUD-JPY ranging. AUD-Swiss franc also ranging. It just broke the Kumo, so it may become downtrend. This is AUD-Swiss franc. There was a Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen dead cross, and the Chikou span breakout and Kumo breakout. So from here, it may continue to go down this way. So with that in mind, in this case, what I wait for is the breakout of the support. Support level here at around 0.6697 area. So once the market breaks that level, then I will come back to this chart and look for the sell chance. So that's AUD-Swiss franc. Let's see. And CAD-JPY is ranging. CAD-Swiss franc is also ranging within the Kumo now. This is very tricky, so we better stay away. And the Swiss franc JPY is also ranging, so we better stay away. So yeah, coming back to Euro USD, this is now retracing backwards. I mean, it's ranging. So yeah, let's continue to monitor Pound USD. So we're gonna monitor in 5-minute chart. In the meantime, let me come back to your comments and yeah, discuss some other markets maybe. Oh, and also I wanted to mention about the gold today. So before coming back to this one, let me check gold. Commodity and XAU USD gold. So here is the daily chart. So gold has been dropping down all the way, but as I mentioned previously, you can draw this trend line, and the market just bounced on the trend line yesterday, and with a doji candlestick, today is bullish. So in this case, what I wait for is basically I wait for the breakout of the previous doji in the daily chart. So technically, I wait for the breakout of the price level of 1796.40. So if it happens today, then I continue to look for the buy chance tomorrow. And this is, in this case, this is the bounce on the trend line and also Kijun Sen retracement. So the target will be on the Kijun Sen in the daily chart. That will be 1817.96 will be the target. So I expect this move to happen once the market breaks 1796.40, and with that in mind, I continue to monitor today and tomorrow. So that's my gold analysis, because I get many emails to talk about the gold, and that's why I wanted to mention about that today. Because you know, people are curious about the gold because it's just going down. So whether the market keeps going down or not is a key. And due to the economy, the COVID is coming back in European countries, in some other countries in the world. And what's happened in the US, gold could be bought in the long run. So because this is a risk hedge, so gold may be bought in the long run. So, but whether it goes up from here or not is a key. So technically speaking, I wait for the previous doji breakout, and once it happens, I look for the buy chance on this. So so let me come back to the pound USD in 5-minute chart. All right, and so this time I will split the chart into two, and on the left we monitor pound USD in 5, and on the right we continue to discuss on other markets. All right, so let's see. Thank you for joining, everyone. Once again, good to see you, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So today obviously the market is quiet, but so myself, I was a bit busy today all day, so I was away from the charts. But even if it's holiday in the US or UK or Japan, I still take trades. Whenever I see trends, then I take trades. Okay, so let's see. All right, Won and Laimun, good to see you. Thank you for joining. All right, Arvin says, can you kindly review AUD/CAD fake out at 8 UTC today? All right, in a 1 hour chart. Would like to get your view on exit timing in 5 minutes. All right, so let me check AUD/CAD. All right, and so that was downtrending, but the market is near support level, as I mentioned previously. And with that in mind, let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay, in 1 hour chart, I think you're talking about this one. Yeah, so there's a fake out. So at the time of fake out, let me go back the chart bar replay, and 8 UTC was exactly here. And you can see that the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, and there was a breakout, but on the next candlestick, the market moved backwards. And I would say that this is because this is at the support level. So that's one. This is the daily support. So when the market is close to daily support, I mentioned that you don't want to trade. You have to wait for the retracement and pull back and sell. So next candlestick turned out to be bullish, and it went up to a Tenkan-sen. So in this case, I would draw a trend line like this way and see if it bounces. If it continuously bounces, then I would hold. But if it breaks that trend line, then I will stay away. So in that sense, let's monitor chart in 1 hour. Okay, still resisted, but now Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so I stay away in this case. And on the next one is still ranging. This is the inside bar, so still ranging, still have to wait for the breakout. Okay, so now another candlestick. So this is nice bounce. We have the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down. So here, most likely, I look for the sell chance. So I go down to 5-minute chart, and I look at the price action to trade. So in this case, if I just adjust this descending trend line, that will be, this is in 1 hour. So let me just delete this one first. And then I will draw it like this way, right? So there was a nice bearish move from here. That's one. And also, let's see. So here I look for the engulfing breakout or timber breakout. So this is consecutive N waves, reversed N waves. So this is nice confirmation. And once the market breaks a trend line, then I have to look for the exit timing at some point. So, but right now, we don't have any engulfing structure. So this is just resisted by this descending trend line. And this is on the reverse N waves. So simply I wait for the next reverse N wave to come. So that means I simply wait for the breakout of the support level, 0.9097, and then take a sell afterwards. So let's continue to monitor one by one. Okay, so there was a two times of doji candles ranging. Oh, okay, so on the next candlestick, it broke upwards clearly. So in this case, since this is downtrending, it may be resisted here and still continuously be downtrending at some point. So I continue to monitor whether the market comes below the trend line or not. So let's continue to monitor. And this time, it looks like it bounced here. Okay, now it's coming back down to the trend line. So this is good. Okay, so this time I delete the trend line. And this is the box range. So I expect the market breaks the support. But still ranging, so I don't see any sign of downtrend. And this is the actual market right now. So yeah, simply I wait for the breakout of 0.9097 and then take the sell afterwards, because that means the market broke the support level and it may continuously go down afterwards, like in this direction. And I put the stop loss above the previous high in 5, above 0.9105. The stop loss here, and take the sell after the breakout, or retest and take a sell afterwards like this. And this is where the market is, like I mentioned yesterday on live streams or the other day, this is near support level in the daily chart, and this is where things become very tricky because the long-term sellers and short-term buyers fighting, so the market becomes choppy like this. So we have to monitor until whether buyers or sellers win the market. Until then, we better stay away. So that's what I would think about it. All right, good to see you. Thank you for joining, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. All right, Jayadi and Yumit, Karim and Dan, Rose, good to see you. Thank you for joining Archback and Deepak. Roge, good to see you too. All right, Ash, thank you for joining. Great to see you also. All right, so let's see. Deepak says, by any chance, can you check Bitcoin USD? All right, so let me check that one. So, okay, so yeah, I don't trade cryptos. I never traded cryptos before. So yeah, I only trade Forex and sometimes gold, but I never go for cryptos. All right, so let me check Bitcoin. So, before that, let me talk about some updates on this Pound USD in 5. Pound USD in 5-minute chart, if you're newly joined here in this live stream, we were looking for the sell chance right now, because the market is downtrending per Ichimoku, and you see that there was a nice rejection twice in 5 at the previous support, and I expect the market breaks the support of 1.3305, and once it does, I will take a sell. So hopefully, if it happens, hopefully that happens until the end of the live. So we will see. So now I will delete these arrows because I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, let's check the Bitcoin. Although I don't trade Bitcoin, or I don't trade any cryptos, let me check. So here is the daily chart. Okay, daily chart Bitcoin is now exactly in the Kumo. And Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat, Chikou span too close, and this is ranging. So simply, when I see this kind of market, then I stay away. If this were Forex, then I exactly stay away. And let me check weekly chart. All right, on the weekly chart, looks like we have support by the Tenkan-sen, and we have the Doji candlestick. So we have to wait for another 3 days for the weekly to close and wait for the breakout of the weekly pin bar at 59,534.59 area. Wait for that breakout and then buy afterwards. Yeah, there was a couple of rejections here also, so it may bounce by the Tenkan-sen weekly and goes up this way. Is my view. Hello, David. Thank you for joining. Good to see you. He says, thanks, Kay. Really enjoyed your second channel videos. Oh, really? Oh, thanks for that. Yeah, I have my second channel, and that is only to post my private lives. So, yeah, you can click on the below description to my second channel and enjoy my Dubai life right now. Ivan says, what is your opinion on Nasdaq? I see bouncing that's similar with gold. Yeah, let me check Nasdaq. It is going up. It has been very strong. But let me see. So yeah, this is weekly chart and still continuously uptrending right now. There is no sign of retracement, so simply this is up. Yeah, Dow Jones is now flat, ranging Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat, but Nasdaq is still uptrending. So this is Nasdaq, it's up, and also S&P 500. This is also bullish still. So I think among these three US indices, Nasdaq is the strongest one, and S&P 500 follows, and then Dow Jones is now retracing backwards. Okay, John says, hi Kay, where is your support and resistance video for Ichimoku? Support and resistance video for Ichimoku, you mean the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, or Senkou Span B? You can find the playlist on my website and scroll down, and there are playlists here, and you can click on this one, Ichimoku Basic Lecture, and you can find that video. All right, hello Oleg, thank you for joining. Happy Thursday and happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, good to see you here. All right, thanks for joining everyone. Great to see you. Okay, so let me continue to monitor the pound dollar. All right, thank you for joining. Joib says, good evening from Shinagawa. Oh, okay, from Japan, Shinagawa. Thank you for joining. Can you check pound dollar reversal in the long term? All right, let me check. Pound dollar, this is bearish right now, and that's why we're monitoring in 5 to look for the selling edge. But on the right, let me show the higher time frame situation. So yeah, so this is daily chart, and now it's going, sorry, this is weekly, and it's going down. And it is about to break the Kumo on the weekly chart. Right, so after we had this head and shoulders, now it's going down. And it is about to break the Kumo, and that's one. And also, if you drop down to daily chart, you see that there is a continuously downtrend. The Kumo down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below the candle. So this is bearish, and that's why I'm looking for the selling edge in 5. So if you're talking about a reversal, I mean bullishness, I don't think it's going to happen because I don't see any clues for the bullishness in this case. I follow the trend direction, and when I see downtrend per Ichimoku and price action, then I always look for the selling edge, not the buying. Sorry, not the buying edge. All right, James, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Garrett says, thank you, my friend. Can I ask why you don't trade crypto because of volatility? Yeah, because of volatility, and also I don't have any experience. I don't have any background, and I don't have any knowledges, and that's why I kind of staying away from cryptos. Because you know, I'm a type of person who wants to study and who wants to prepare, get ready before going into something. Like you know, before I came to Dubai, I spent five years to prepare for the relocation this year. So I like to prepare things, and until I'm confident, I don't want to do it. But I monitor charts. I monitor charts, cryptos, and I start to be interested because I see more and more GTS members are taking trades in cryptos. And also there are many events in Dubai in the crypto markets. Many information, many opportunities here in Dubai also. So now I start to see the potential and I start to be interested, but I feel it's not a time yet. So while taking trades in Forex and gold, I'm shifting myself to stock market and also indices, and then maybe cryptos. Yeah, right. So let's see. The JID says USD Swiss franc break Tokyo box. Can go back again, like use a JPY tomorrow. Yeah. So USD Swiss franc is not the JPY pairs, so you don't want to use the Tokyo box breakout. Tokyo box breakout works mainly on the JPY pairs. Alright, John Harris says, just to confirm, you place the resistance lines on the last highest high and support on the lowest low, correct? Yes, did. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if we can sell on pound USD. So yeah, so let me look into the price action and see what's happening right now. So all right, so here this is ranging, but previously there was support and twice of rejections here, once and twice, and so this might be double top and the market may continuously be bearish. But until we see the breakout of support, it won't become double top. This is just ranging right now, but this is more of the potential bearish downtrend. So, and also there were a couple of pin bars here. So there were once and twice pin bars or dojis. So I can see that the market retracement is kind of you know, kind of high now. So this is bearish. However, for the last 5 to 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, the market has been retracing backwards now. So it may test this level again and go down this way. But once it breaks this way, then I won't sell. We had another pin bar here. So that means there is a strong support in this area in 5-minute chart. But most likely if the market will be resisted at some point and go down and breaks this support of the pin bar, then most likely I would also sell and expect the market breaks this support and continuously go down. So yeah, so that is my scenario for now in 5 minutes. And since this is only 5-minute chart, this is very lower time frames. So in this case, I don't really care about these small movements in 5. It just happens because it's ranging. But mainly, what I look at in this case is the daily chart. If daily is down, then the 5 should go down sooner or later. But I don't want to sell at any places because it may continue to retrace backwards. And the market may continue to retrace backwards once the market breaks 1.3315 area this time. And that's why I'm monitoring the chart and see if the market is still wanting to go down or not. So this is like listening to the candlesticks, listen to the market and really see which way he wants to go. Right now, it's struggling. Like he's still deciding which way to go. So in this case, we better do nothing. Right. So and also in the lower time frame, I will also look at the. I also use the Bollinger Band in stochastics. So let me show these tools. Okay, so Bollinger Band squeezing right now. In stochastic is now gold crossing. Sorry. Stochastic is gold crossing. So we have to wait for the dead cross or band walk. But it will happen once the market starts to go down. So let's monitor chart in that sense. Let's see. So and also, you know, when you monitor the chart, this is a little advice for everybody. But when you monitor the chart, never see charts like this. This is, for example, like this. I used to do this. I used to monitor chart like this, all these big candles, and decide where to buy or sell. But when you see charts, always you have to zoom out, and you want to see bigger picture, like this, so that you know which way the market is going right now. So after squeeze, the Bollinger Band is expanded. After the squeeze, it was resisted and expanded bearish. And ever since, the market has been on the reversed in waves. But at some point here, the market started to retrace backwards and create a range. And that made the Bollinger Band also squeeze. And after the dead cross of stochastics, the market started to go down again. And now what's happening is the market is now also squeezing and ranging, and that's making the Bollinger Band squeeze. So most likely, this is downtrending in the daily chart. So most likely it goes bearish, but before that, it may test the resistance as before. It may test resistance, or it may overshoot and then go down this way. It's also expected. So to be safer, we can wait for the dead cross of stochastics like last time, and then sell afterwards. I think that's also a good strategy, good entry chance. But this is where I stay away. So, but when I'm staying away, when I monitor the chart, I don't stick to the chart. So this is live stream, and I keep talking on the live stream, and talking about this one, that one. But when I'm alone and see charts, I don't do that. Simply, I just place the chart here, but I may be replying emails, I may be checking some other contents, I might be something else. And then monitor chart with that while I'm doing something else. But sometimes when I monitor a chart like this, I might have to go out, or I might have to be in the meeting, and then simply I close the chart. I don't monitor anymore. I close the chart and come back a couple of hours later. And if the market breaks that level, then I knew that, you know, my analysis was correct, and I get confident on the next trade. But when the market reverses backwards from here, then simply I think that it was good that I didn't take a trade. So in this state of mind, you monitor chart, you know, every time. So never expect which way it goes. Only act by the fact, right? You never act by the hope is a key to success in tradings. And also, this is all about the timing. So yeah, so like I mentioned before, this is like catching taxi. You know, whenever you look for taxi, it's not there. But when you don't look for it, it's there. So that's psychology also. All right, so let me come back to some other comments now. All right, Orvin says, dollar JPY before FOMC, I took the chance, and after bullish engulfing outside bar in 5-minute chart, we took an entry, okay? You better exit once the market reverses backwards. So for example, if the market reverses backwards on the reverse in wave, or you know, some other confirmations like engulfing breakout, then you better exit. Like I mentioned last time, my exit timings are very, very quick. The average exit timing of mine in the month of October was only 7 pips. So that means as soon as the market goes against me in 7 pips, then I exit it in average. The most pips I took for the stop loss or exit was 15 pips in October. So that's how quick I exit every time. John Harris says, from watching one of videos, you always look at the Kumo first to confirm trend, then look at the rest of Ichimoku. That is true, because Kumo shows long term. So we better focus on long term first, and then break it down to the shorter terms. Just like time frames, you have to go higher time frames and break it down to the lower time frames. I do the same in Ichimoku, basically. All right, thank you for joining, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Good to see you here. All right, hello, David. Good to see you here also. All right, just sold pound CAD at 1.6856. All right, so pound CAD, let me see. All right, so pound CAD is right now, daily chart is now still ranging, but we see downtrend in short term. And the market was rejected here at 1.7061, and now it's going down. So this is bearish in the long term. And let's see. Yeah, so let's see. So now, if I look at the forward chart, it just broke the Kumo in Ichimoku, and this is bearish. We have consecutive reversed in the waves after double top, neckline break. So this is nice downtrend. So yeah, and it looks like, so it's downtrending, so it could go down to here. 1.6764 will be an initial target, and the next target is the next support level, which is 1.6719. Yeah, let me see. In 1 hour chart, in 1 hour it's bearish. It just broke the support, so you sold it at let's see, 1.6856. So around here at the support level, You took the sell. So this is bearish. So that's good. If I sell that level, then I will put the stop loss above the previous high in 5. So I put the stop loss around here. And let's see, this is, in pips wise, this is 31, 32 pips and stop loss. And I continuously monitor sell. So this is good. Even the market will trace backwards, it may be rejected at the previous support and may continuously go down this way. All right, yeah, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Right, Deepak says, okay, can you please share your music playlist somehow? It's really calming to the mind, or at least share one single track. This background music, right? I got this music long ago, and I can't remember where I got this. So yeah, I can't tell which way, where I got it. Yeah, but I like this kind of jazz music or kind of smooth, relaxing music, and that's why I just play this in the background. Like last year or 2 years back, I used to play like some Asian taste BGM or some other BGM, but this one is my favorite. So yeah, glad to hear that. All right, so yeah, looks like the market is slow today because of Thanksgiving. So it's not really moving that much. All right, okay, let's see. Okay, sold NZJPY at 78.946, all right? So make sure you follow a downtrend. Martin says, okay, pound CAD is downtrending, but as soon as I got pips, I set my stop loss to break even and it hit my stop loss. How to explain that? Did I set break even too soon? Yeah, most likely you did. I think, yeah, you don't want to place the stop loss too soon, because in that way, you might have too many break-even trades and you might be tired of it. So make sure the market is going towards the direction and then set the break-even. So, or simply wait for the market goes towards the direction around like 25 or 30 pips running profit, and then hit the break even. Auto Accessory says, does MACD work with Ichimoku in scalping? Two things. One is I don't use MACD, so I'm not sure. And also I don't scalp by Ichimoku, so I'm not sure. I only use stochastics, but I don't use MACD. Yeah, somehow I prefer stochastics. It's only 2 lines and it works really good for myself. So okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for today's live stream. So please continue to monitor pound USD, whether it breaks bearish or not, until you go to bed tonight. And let's continue to discuss this one tomorrow. Right? So if I have a chance, then I may take a sell before I go to bed tonight. So we will see. Okay, so let me put the vertical line here so that we can remember which one we were talking about. All right, so thank you for joining everyone once again. If you liked it, please press the like button and please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notifications as I do these live streams or videos on my YouTube channel. So once again, happy Thanksgiving. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Right, bye for now, everyone. またね. Thank you.